Yeah, man, peace and like one love. So, yeah, they spray it in the air. Yeah, it's gonna go around for this Christmas. It's called a dry cough. Yeah, they're gonna take a lot of money from you through Panadols and DPH. Like you're really gonna turn your children into a drugs bank because DPH is in fact a drug because yes, it will have your kids drowsy and so forth. So we have formulated this. It's called dry cough from coconut oil, which high in floric acid, and also it's a natural immunizer. It's antiviral, antibacterial. Also, we have the two zingiberaceae plant, which is turmeric, and the raw native ginger root, and it's infused. This one, no dry cough can go around this. Cough, cold, bronchitis, asthma, pneumonia, the cold, the simple cold. You remember what delay made of the simple cold? While they're gonna start at dry cough, they're gonna affect the throat chakra. Grab your bottle, it's cheap in Jamaica. For this drop, it's only $3,000 overseas. It's cheap also. See the link right here? Yeah, man, you can purchase. The truth cannot be told, only can be realized. Do what you gotta do, but remember, this is a money game. Don't be caught in the loop, right? Yeah, man, one true virgin, a knowledgeable true virgin upon the motivational trade. Now say, yo, big up on the rat itself. Yeah, man, check out my new book now on Amazon. Earth Book One, and also locally here in Jamaica. And who can wear the clothesline? We're coming out the best. We'll be getting prizes and surprises. Yo, me out of here.